Okay, my name is Michael. This tutorial I'll be sharing with you, I'll be taking you from basic Excel to advanced level. In the subsequent video, I'll be sharing with you different aspects of Microsoft Excel. So all you need to do is to stay tuned on this channel, like, subscribe, and follow this channel so you get all the updates as they drop. Don't forget, my name is Michael. I'm the CEO of Michi Infotech Computer Institute at Saba. Okay, let's dive into what we have today. Like I said, I'll be taking you on Excel. Firstly, you need to know what Excel is, what it's used for, and how to use them. Now, the first thing is to know something, then how to use it to achieve your goal or what is used for. So firstly, I'll be giving you a brief explanation of what Microsoft Excel is all about. Now, Microsoft Excel is pronounced as Excel. Excel is pronounced as Excel. So if you are finding it difficult to pronounce Excel, it's pronounced like this, Excel. Now, is a spreadsheet. It's a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, which means the company that owns Microsoft, the company that owns Excel is known as Microsoft. So Excel helps you to organize data in column. It helps you to organize data in column and in rows, and also it allows you to perform mathematical functions. Excel has the ability to run mathematical function, which means you can use Excel as calculator. Instead of coming to type your manual calculator, you can use Excel as your calculator. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Android and iOS, which means you can use it on your Windows, you can use it on your laptop, you can use it on your Apple Mac OS, you can use it on Android. It has Android version and iOS version. So the first version of Microsoft Excel was released in 1985 and has gone through several changes over the years. So the first product was released in 1985, and since then they have been upgrading it. They have been making changes, adding one or two to make it more user friendly and adding more functions. But however, the main functionality remains the same. So irrespective of the version you are using, irrespective of when you start using it, most of the functions are still the same. Now, what is Excel used for? Let's look at what Excel is basically used for. Number one, Excel is used for analysis. You can use Excel to run analysis, that is, analyze data to know information or to know more about trend on your data. Then you can also use Excel to enter data. Let's say, for instance, entering data, for instance, you can use it for your daily sales. You can use it to keep record. So Excel is used to enter data. Now, Excel is also used to manage data. You can use your Excel to organize your data that have been entered on Excel. You can use it to organize your data. Excel is also used for accounting. It can be used for accounting. Then Excel is also used for budgeting. You want to do your budget. Excel is used for budget consolidation. You can use Excel to run budget. You can use Excel for data analysis, to analyze data. You can use it for data analysis. You can use it for visual and chart. Visual, to present a visual representation of what you have. Then chart, graphs, to see the data in a more understandable way. Then you can use Excel for programming. You can use Excel for financial modeling, and also you can use Excel for many things. Excel is very versatile. It can be used for a lot of things. Now, the question, you might ask this question, why use Excel? That is a good question. You might ask this question, why use Excel? Now, it's the most popular spreadsheet program in the world. Excel is the most popular spreadsheet program. When we say spreadsheet, it's a compound word. There are a lot of other spreadsheets. We have WPS, WSP, yeah, WSP that you can find on your phone. It also has a Windows version. So, but this Microsoft Excel is the most popular one in the whole world. It's easy to learn and to get started. So if you are looking for a spreadsheet to use, Microsoft Excel is the most easiest one that you can use to enter data and run analysis. The skill ceiling is high, which means that you can do more advanced things as you become better. So the more you become better in Excel, you can use it to do a lot of things. Now, it can be used with both work in everyday life, such as create family budget. It can be used in the office and also in our daily life. You can use it to create your family budget in your family. It's not a must that you must be in office or in your working place before you use Excel. Excel can be used in our daily life. Now, it has a hug community support. A lot of people are using it. So it has a hug community support. Now, it is continuously supported by Microsoft. It is continuously supported by Microsoft. So any support you need from Microsoft, you can get it. Now, one of the things that makes it more easy to use is that if, for instance, you want to do something, you don't know how to start it, it has templates and frameworks that can be reused. It has template, it has a pre-designed format that you can use to start up your Excel work. Now, in this platform, I'll be teaching you about Excel. I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about Excel. All I need you to do is to make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. You subscribe. We are on YouTube, we are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are on Instagram, we are on Telegram, we are on TikTok. There is no social media you go to, you will not find Michi Infotech. Michi Infotech is a computer institute that is here to stay. We offer the best digital skill here in Asaba. Go and check our rating. You will see what our students are saying. So, now, the next question you may want to ask is it necessary to have any prior experience with a spreadsheet program or programming? No. The answer is no. It's not a must that you have a prior knowledge about Excel before you start using Excel. So now, let's dive into Excel spreadsheet. How do we open our Excel spreadsheet? Firstly, on another video, I'm going to be doing a video how you can install your spreadsheet on your system. But to save our time, that video is going to be on the next class. Now, how do we start up our spreadsheet? You can see my window. My window has been dormant all this while I am talking. Now we need to start up our Microsoft Excel. How do we start up Microsoft Excel? If you look at my screen here, you see this is Microsoft Excel here. I'm going to double click on it. Then it's going to open up Microsoft Excel like this. Now, this is Microsoft Excel. These are formats. This is Power Query tutorial. This pivot table tutorial. There are a lot of things that you can do. These are sample. Let's look at this. These are recent. Let's look for more template now. You can see it. These are templates that you can work with. Let's say I want to work with any of these templates. I will just take any of them and start using. It has been formatted already. You can reformat it. So now, because we are going to be working on a blank document, I'm going to be taking the blank document. So now let me give you an overview of what Microsoft Excel is all about. Now, Microsoft Excel Microsoft Excel structure is made of two pieces, the ribbon and the sheet. The ribbon and the sheet. Now let's look at what the ribbon is. What is Microsoft Excel ribbon? And now I'm going to be showing you from the screen here. Now if you look at, let me bring my, so here. Now if you look at this place now, this is where it's called the ribbon. Here, this place, look at how my mouse is going from here down straight, come like this, is what is known as a ribbon. That's what it means. Then here, this place you are seeing my picture is what is known as the sheet. So let me just quickly type the words here. Though this side will not allow me type the word. Okay, I know what to do. Just hang on. Let me screenshot this aspect. Then I'm going to paste this here. Don't mind me, I'm going to reduce it so you see. So I'm doing this so that you'll be able to understand this very, very well. And don't forget, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask any question. Then I'm going to insert here word art. I'm going to add text here, and I will say here is sheet. Okay, here is the sheet here. Then I'm going to duplicate this here. Then I'll bring it here, and I'll say here is the ribbon. Don't worry, I will increase it so that you'll be able to see it very well. Here is the ribbon. Let me increase the size, and then I'll make it red. So here, all this angle is here. Let me add something else so that you'll be able to also, let me insert, where is our shape? Okay, let me just draw. So let me draw it again. So all this place I've marked now is what is known as our ribbon. So now here is the sheet. So I believe you should be able to understand it very well now. So Microsoft Excel is made up of these two pieces, the ribbon and the sheet. So now let me explain what the ribbon is all about. The ribbon provides the shortcut to Excel commands. Now this place now provide all the shortcuts for Excel command. All the command you may want to command using without going to manual function. If you want to use those function or the commands, you can do all that using this Microsoft ribbon, Excel ribbon, sorry. A command is an action that allows you to make something happen. It allows you to make something happen without you doing most of the job or most of the work. So you can, for instance, we have a Control C to copy, but in a normal shell you have to go right click or go to an option and locate copy, click on copy before you copy. But with the command, which is the shortcut, you just press your Control plus C and it will copy the object or the item. Now this can for example be insert a table, change the font size, or change the color of the cell. So from this ribbon you can insert table, change font size, change font color, change font style. All those short keys can, all those short function or commands can be done using the ribbon. Now another thing you have to take note is that ribbon can look crowded. Your ribbon can look crowded and hard to understand at first. It's normal. the ribbon interface may look crowded and very hard, and it may look hard to understand at first. Don't be scared. You don't need to be scared, because that is normal. Because you are new to it, it will look a bit confusing, but it's normal. Just calm down and use them one after the other. You see what they are used for. As you continue using it, you discover that it becomes easy on your daily on a daily basis as you use them. Then the next thing is the sheet. The sheet is a set of row and column. It forms the same pattern as we have in math exercise book. The rectangle box formed by the pattern are called cell. So now the sheet here is this one that gives us rows and column. The sheet here gives us rows and column. And also the rectangle box that you are seeing, this box you are seeing, let me say this box here, you are seeing here, is known as a cell. The box is known as a cell. So but this is this line you are seeing is the line that is known as the row. The line that is known as row and column. This line you are seeing, one runs from the top to the down, and the other one runs from the bottom to the value. So now in this place, let me delete this. You don't need it again. So I'm going to select this and I'll delete. So don't need this again. Now in cells here, data can be entered or values can be typed into the cell. Now by clicking on each cell and you say hello, so we have hello world in this cell now. So now look at what happened here now. You have been able to enter a data or a value into this cell, but you discover that if I bring out, if I click on another cell, or if I should enter another, how are you? Now you discover that. Now if you look at this cell, you discover that the item that is on this cell, if you look at the complete item here, hello world, this one says how are you? But why are they not showing? The reason why they are not showing here is because the data or the value that have been entered is longer than the size of the cell. The same thing with this. So the moment you enter another value in this cell, to cover this, how do you show all those values? You can bring up your cursor here or come and drag, and it opens to the size, or just double tap here, it opens to exact size of that value that is there. You double tap on this line here, not on this place. See the cross is different than when the cross comes here. Once you double tap, it opens up. So far we have looked at what a cell is. We have taken note of two main pieces of a cell, which is ribbon and sheet. Now I believe by now you should be able to know what ribbon is and what sheet is. Like I said, this place, like I used the video to explain before, this place is what is known as the ribbon. From here you can enter, change your fonts, can pick any. Let me pick this. So from here I can pick my font. You can see how the font is changing. I can change my color. All these are done on ribbon. Here I can increase my size. See, these are shortcuts, and I can do a lot using these ribbons here on my Microsoft Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to this our platform. Thank you. On our next video, I'll be sharing with you on how you enter data in Excel and how you format your data in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, my name is Michael. I would love to hear from you. Drop your question, or if there is anything you want me to treat on Excel, if there is any difficulty you are having on Excel, drop it on the comment section. Make sure you tag me, drop it on the comment section, and I would love to attend to that question or that comment. Thank you once again. Bye.